Hello everyone, welcome to Realtor Amy's YouTube channel. This is Chris. Today I'm going to talk about how to understand the Cloud CMA, which Amy may send you a link in the email. If you don't know what is a CMA, click this button. Well, CMA basically is a comparable of similar houses for lease or for sale. Compared to the property you owned or you have interest. Compared to traditional CMA, well, the Cloud CMA is interactive and more informatic. So we choose this address as an example, and this is a CMA for lease. So if you click the comparable homes, it will show all the similar houses around this reference house for lease. You could click the compare button, which is this is the reference house, and these are all the comparable houses. You can click the button to browse different houses, and if you find some house that is similar to yours, you can click the image to see the detail of the house. And you can also click the statistics, which offer the traditional CMA, and you can see the lowest price for all the comparable houses. You can choose the closed deals, lowest price, highest price. This is for lease, and this is the average price. They are categorized in different status: leased, pending, active, or expired. So the pink line is the average price. You can click this bar, which represents each property, to see the detail. Why this is so expensive? I want my lease is higher than others, so you can see why the house is better than others. This is a very powerful chart of the x-axis is the size of the house, and the y-axis is the rent. This line, gray line, is the trend line, represented average price per square feet of the sold listings, which is the properties has been leased. And this dashed line represents the size of the property you used as the reference. And you can see, wow, for the same area, similar area, and similar house, this can be rented at 2,595. Why is so good? So you can click the button. It's had good images and fancy layout, patio, etc. And you can decorate your house in a similar way and ask a higher price. Is that helpful? And also, this is the time to sell. Well, in this case, it's the time for rent. And so you can see, well, most properties can be rented within 30 days, and it gave you a result that 22 days on market is the average day to sell or day to rent for the lease market compared to all the house in the CMA. And sometimes the listing price is a little bit different from the close price, and this circle is the listing price, and the solid circle is the close price. And this 100.6% is the average comparable between the closed price over the listing price. And there are also some common knowledge about the commission distribution, intelligent pricing, and timing to give you information how to set the price for lease smartly. Okay, this is for lease. Let's go to for sale. Also the same property. And click comparable homes. You will see, well, It could be status or comparable or map. So the map is good to see the sold or active or pending properties similar to the reference property. And this also, you can click the button to find the difference between the similar houses. Statistics is the traditional CMA format. Okay, let's go to the average pricing. Yeah, you can see this is average price for sale of the whole group of houses in this CMA. And you can see, oh, this house is expensive, but it's sold for $400,000. Why is so good? And click the button to see that. And make your house as fancy as this and to sold a better price. Or if you want to buy a house, this will help you to set up a good price in your offer. And here, the average price of a square feet. See, this is similar to the previous explanation. This is trend line, and this dashed line is the square feet of your reference property. Actually, this green button is the reference property we choose. So why is so cheap? You want to buy it? Is that deal? Talk to Amy. And if you want to buy a house, if the market is hot, maybe you have to increase a little bit of your offering price. And you can see, oh, this is better. Yeah, maybe you can offer a higher price. Or maybe if you want to sell a house, you can list a higher price because my house is better than the reference. And this is time to sell. X is the day to sale. And this is the selling price. You can see majority of the properties are sold within 30 days. Excuse me. An average day on market is 22. Different from the for lease property, the listing price and the close price always has some differences if you want to sell or buy a property. So still, this is the listing price. The solid circle is the closed price. And the average rate between the close price to listing price is 99.2% in the CMA. And one powerful tool is called online valuations. And you can see for all the sold properties, there is the estimate. This is the estimated price provided by the Cloud CMA. Well, I find it's very comparable to the real sold price, but sometimes there are some deals at much lower price. Why? I don't know. Talk with Amy. So another important thing is the estimated, oh, not this one, is the online evaluation. We just talked about this. Okay, that's all about this Cloud CMA. So it's good for you to provide more information. So that's all. Thank you.